Hi everyone, my name is Cornelia Hannes, and I'll be painting this composition of a interior scene, and I invite you to join me for this tutorial. In this tutorial there will be a focus on how to create a strong sense of structure and architecture as well as geometry in an interior space, and we will be using tools such as plumb line techniques as well as covering some basic points of how to create a strong sense of perspective in an interior space using the principle of vanishing points. We will also be working with a block in using charcoal directly on the canvas before we move into the underpainting stage, where we will be using more of a direct paint application approach. In this tutorial, there will also be discussions on how to observe well the relationship between colors and values, and how to consider the textural elements of the various ingredients in the composition. For instance, how can we build some element of texture in an area such as the window to suggest a sparkling, shimmering light. During this painting process, there will also be a variation of paint application techniques, such as scumbling larger areas in the initial underpainting stage of this painting, and then we will be building upon the composition using various degrees of texture and amount of paint to also vocalize the different elements of this composition. In this tutorial, there will also be a discussion of techniques and key concepts that are highly applicable in other types of compositions as well, including genre scenes where we have a figure in interior spaces. And there's also a strong connection here between the tradition of still life painting to the interior composition. See you on my Patreon page, where you will access the content of this tutorial.